What is up, people of YouTube? This is Grow Me Something Mr. Welcome to Brighter Day Gardens. It is Thursday, December 19, 2024. It is time for a fall garden harvest. Check out these broccolis. Them are large. Yeah, see how big those stalks are? They're about 2 inches in diameter. And I'm going to just put them in a quick, simple little salt water and then let them drain and freeze them. And I also have a couple of cabbages to harvest as well. So what we're going to use is just some kind of straight knife or something. Usually I would use my machete or something, but I'm just going to use a regular knife here. And basically what you want to do is go down to the first major set of leaves. So we're going to go down to this one right here, because this thing's in my way. Get out of there like that. So we're going to go to this one right here. First major set, we'll go to that one right there. There we go, like that there. That is a big broccoli. I harvested another one and it was about 10 inches in diameter. So let me get these going real quick. I harvested a total of 10 broccolis and 2 cabbages. The buckets are just way too puny for these broccoli. These broccoli are no joke. They're rather large. They're actually in charge. I don't care what Charles has to say. Anyway, so that's that. A massive broccoli harvest. As usual, maybe I'll harvest some kale to go with that cabbage and make a little soup. Maybe with a little Italian sausage, some white beans. That sounds bomb. Alright, y'all, thank you very much for watching. This is Grow Me Something Mr. And remember what? Hey, still don't have an exit on yet, so see you later, everybody. It's time for a little lanyap, depending on how you want to say it. I am by the chef's courtyard, the chef that gives me compost materials. We built this bed for him here. It's a little 2x5 foot elevated bed, and we've got broccoli inside. We've harvested broccoli already, and all this will be going to compost at the end of the season. And so we've got a broccoli right here that the chef is actually going to harvest right now. Excellent. All right, let's see what that looks like, Chef. Excellent. That is a nice 6-inch broccoli, thereabouts.
Yeah, 6, 7.
Excellent. Chef Mark, thank you for that.
Thank you.
It's a round circular thing here with the chef. He gives me compost materials, and in turn I bring compost, build a bed like this, and we just do it all over again.